اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم اشہد ان لا الہ الا اللہ وحدہ لا شریک لہ واشہد ان محمدا عبدہ ورسولہ. Ladies and gentlemen, my brothers and sisters and senior citizens of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Wajid Murtaza and my electoral symbol is brick. I am candidate of National Assembly from NA54. Today I am here to talk with the cream of Pakistan, which is youth of Pakistan, which is next generation of Pakistan, which is future of Pakistan. Listen, my brothers and sisters, we all know what's going on around us. This is the time we have to take the corrective measures. Now we are custodians of Islamic Republic of Pakistan and we have to drive our country. Now this is the right time. We have to execute our plans. Trust me, we are the future of Pakistan. We are the custodians of Pakistan. And that day is very near when the world shall meet the great nation of Pakistan. We are all Muslims and we are all Pakistani. This is the only recognition we own around the world. In front of world, we are just Muslims and Pakistanis. We are not Balochi, Sindhi, Pathan, Saraiki. Everybody calls us Pakis. I have made some plans how to drive our country and how to compete the world. I have made plans. I need to discuss it with you. I'll be needed your time. I'll be on your doorstep from tomorrow onwards. I just need your support. Whenever I talk to you, whether he is male or female, you are conscious about your future. This is the main reason. Due to lack of confidence and darkness in future, we are leaving Pakistan. And in every year, hundreds of thousands of professionals leave Pakistan. This is a big deficit. Now we have to perform here. Now we have to implement on policies we shall make, being the custodians, being the residents of Islamic Republic of Pakistan. We own this country. We own Pakistan. I just need your support. You will always find me standing with you. In my last video, I have briefly detailed my election manifesto well. Now, just shake your hand with me. I'll be on your doorstep from tomorrow. In Wa, Texla, Chakri, Adyala Road, and all area of my constituency. Thank you very much for your time and support. Long live Pakistan. Allah Hafiz.